Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to add the repeat effect on a video clip when posting to TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. It really helps me and the channel grow, and I really appreciate all your support. This effect is only available within the editing screen of TikTok when you're adding your sound effects, text or stickers. To begin with, let's first open up your TikTok app. Now go ahead and tap on the plus sign to record a video. Once you've recorded the video, tap on next, and then you'll be brought into the editing screen. Look down below and tap on effects. Now at the bottom right, tap on time. In the bottom lower section of the screen, you'll see the repeat effect. Using your finger, select a point on the timeline to choose the exact point where you want the repeat effect to be applied. Now tap on repeat. You should see a red bar appear on the timeline. The screen will show you a preview of what is being repeated. To play the whole video clip, drag the white line to the beginning of the clip and then press play. The effect will play the selected video twice. Using the edges of the red bar, you can select more or less of what you want to repeat on your timeline. Once you're happy with the repeat effect, press save at the top right of the screen. And there you go, that is how to add the repeat effect on a video clip when posting a TikTok video. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.